night. So hopefully now the children will not need this spot because it's under a covered plant box and I'm sitting on it. That's where I was this, and it's very cute there, but it's needed by the children, so I had to go. Here is still also a playground, but it looks a bit lonely, or maybe I'm just projecting, I don't know. So where I was at the Bon Jovi part, so I'm gonna sharpen this a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put something. See what my eyes just did. It went on rockstar mode, sort of like what? So I'm gonna put water on the hair, and I hope my hair absorbs this because I have trouble. See, it's already coming together, even just a little bit. Can you see Bon Jovi yet? Maybe we'll see better if I actually see. Look, I'm handsome now. I'm more handsome now. Oh no, what you know what they say, what the summer soaks, the summer will dry. So I made a little look at how magnificent those bangs are. See, I have sharpened it. It's coming together. Maybe I could add a bit more spice. This ain't a song for the broken hearted. Just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life. I cannot give it 100% because I'm a bit shy. There's people. But at least that's a little bit of the preview of the future. Preview. So as you can see, the what I just did had nothing to do with what I'm about to discuss. And it's so nice in here. It's warm but not very warm, and there's a bit breeze, and the vibe here, I'm surrounded by children because there's a kindergarten somewhere there. There's a kindergarten over there. And I think that's fitting to what I'm gonna tell you. Not sure which angle to approach this from. So I can begin with the story. Not sure if I already told you that I'm gonna go back to the Philippines for the entire June. And in this trip, I was hoping to have some out of town trip with my family in the mid part of the islands. It's a place called Bohol, and apparently there are a lot of things to see there. So I said to my sister, we can do 5 days. I don't mind, because here's another culture in the Philippines. When you're abroad, people think you have a lot of money. Of course, I understand where this is coming from because of the exchange rates, but some just assume, in general, I'm not talking about my family here, in general, people assume that you have a lot of money, and I have a lot of money converted to peso, but when I'm living here, I don't have that much. I have enough to get by and do other things, but not really like money. No, it's just, and people somehow they assume that when you're abroad, you're like swimming in euros or dollars, but it's hard to earn those euros and dollars. It's not as if I just pick them up on the street, but people in the Philippines, yeah, they assume that that's the case. How when you sometimes when people go, I'm very lucky with my family, by the way, because they are not like those other families that just because you're abroad they expect you to buy a lot of things or give a lot of money or something like this. So I'm very lucky with the family that I have, because they are very understanding. They know how life here is like, and they know the reality. So they aren't really those always, oh money, oh money, oh money, 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 unlike those other people who have this problem. That I've met some people here also from the Philippines that they are having, their heads are aching because their family expects so much money from them. And I even know some people that has a relative here in outside of the Philippines, in UAE specifically. She's my best friend actually. She sends everything to her family, and you know what the family does? They don't even, the people, some of the people who receive her money, they just depend on her even if they are capable of working. How So it makes me angry that kind of culture, that people are capable of working and then some of them don't work because they have relatives from abroad that supply them with money. And sometimes, you know what they do? They just drink. There are also some people who are emphasis on the some, because some people may find this, and I'm putting emphasis on some, not all. Some, big SOME. Some people, they use it to drink. They use it on alcohol. The hard-earned money of their relative, they use it on alcohol. What? And they don't work. They just alcohol. They don't even take care of the children that the mother left behind, and the mother is working in abroad. And you see the children, they are left to their own devices, and they are yeah, it's sad. So yeah, that's the background, and I have lost my what I supposed to discuss.